It's all about fresh greens, new pavement, and 3D tech used to build a house. All happening right now on this Melbourne Minute. The historic Crane Creek Reserve Golf Course is now reopened after a major renovation project.
Our brand new putting greens, brand new irrigation system that waters the whole golf course a lot more efficiently. Our driving range been redone. We've also extended tee boxes. We've added some new bunkers. We've lengthened the course for those players that may hit the ball a little bit longer.
Speaking of makeovers, Pirate Lane near Palm Bay High School has just been resurfaced. Get ready for a smooth ride, because this is just one of more than 30 roads across Melbourne that have been repaved. The City of Melbourne is excited to add more affordable housing options by using American Rescue Plan Act grant money to help fund Habitat for Humanity's project to build 3D printed homes for low-income families.
The City of Melbourne's really excited that we were able to partner with both Macedonia Development Corporation and Space Coast Habitat for Humanity to help acquire funds for projects like this in the city.
And that's it for this Melbourne Minute. Be sure to visit melbourneflorida.org/minute to find out more about these stories and keep up on what's happening in Melbourne.